Dr. Tech Ralph here. Right, I'm quite happy that the last video did 2 successes with the game console, the controllers actually working, and I'm yeah, quite proud of that. I'm done getting them sorted, so I think let's do another 2 for 2, shall we? Right. What I have is the same box that I got the controllers from, which I still can't play on anything. I got PlayStation, original Sony PlayStation. Opens up, closes, reset, power on, power off, and another one. So I've got 2. Now I'm going to try these, see if they work. Now I think I've got a piece of glue on the table, and that's going to annoy me. So I'm going to try these out, see if they work. So that means TV on. I actually have a controller for this to work. It's a bit... I'm not redoing the cable on this. They don't sell these as easily as they do the ones with the 9 pins. And the length of this cable is ridiculous. So let's start one at a time. Start with the grey one. Right, in the middle. I'm going to angle this, turn it some of the TV. Oh, that's going to annoy me as well. Ta-dum-ta-dum. Preparation, preparation, and get rid of glue. Right, let's put this in here. The box I bought this, the eBay auction I got this from, did state that nothing was working. Multi-IO, just fit. For the PlayStation itself, I actually got 2 games with it. It was a big lot. There was the 2 PlayStations, there was a PS2 Slim, which I'm still waiting for a power supply from China, because nobody does 8.5 volts, and the piece of plastic has just broke off there. So I'm guessing I might need a new, yes, new. It's in there, isn't it? If you can see inside the vents. Actually, I can see it. There. Yellow. Right in there. But I might be able to... if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I was speaking to somebody earlier on today, and I was unaware that you could get a card for this. The card actually plugs into the serial I/O, and you can run USB games off it. So, is it serial? I actually think it's a parallel I/O. But I can't get off. I don't need to anyway. So, right, this is initial testing of this then. Power cable. Right, this is a standard. I think they used to call them a telefunken or something. I'm not sure. That's the right pronunciation. Let's see if I can find a cable. Yeah, I'm still waiting for the PS2 power supply to arrive, so I can't test anything without it. Right, the lot that I got actually came with 3 games. Tell a lie, it came with 4 games. Luckily, it's got something I can test with the PS2, the Crash Team Racing. At least it's a test. And I actually got this, the Mega Drive in there. Don't know what I'm going to do with this. If anybody wants this, and they're more than welcome. I think somebody along the line decided to mod this. Yeah. You can just see inside there's capacitor in there. I remember when I was quite young, I had an Atari 2600. And what I did with all the cartridges was take out all the boards inside it, all the chip boards inside, and it made it go from something this big down to something that big. There was nothing to it, and I thought you could store more of them, but they look better in the actual plastics. So, right, back to testing. I've actually also got one of these with it as well. So let's try and see if this works. No guarantees. If it doesn't, it's a project. If it does, in my original PlayStation I think I got bored with it one day and then decided to, I think I painted the whole console black, and each one of the buttons I had a different colour. I think green, blue, red or something like that. Completely ruined it, but right, TV function, what are we on? I think that goes through the coax. Ow, I have to retune the TV again. Right, let's turn this on, see what happens. Power's on. Oh, I don't know if you can see that, but I've got a green light. Right, the problem is, let's try a different channel. Now I do wish I knew how this TV worked. Setup, nope. Display. I'm on the V1 at the moment. TV menu. Now. Oh, come on, this is ridiculous. Function. Nothing worse than watching a grown drunk man try and do sensible stuff, like tuning a television. Right, TV menu. It gives me more options. Right, so number one was the grandstand. Oh shoot. Auto tune in progress. If this works, then good. If not, no guarantees this will work. Try the controller. Yeah, looks like it's actually working with the analog light coming on. Do love one of these controllers. There's something about them, they're not too big, not too small. You just put your thumb in the middle and you've got access to all four buttons here. Really good controller. Come on. There's no frequencies on this, is there? 36. Right, so it should be lower down the scale. Whereas this TV will tune in megahertz, whatever 36 was, I don't know. Unless it was 360 megahertz. I don't know. It's not looking good so far. I'm getting ready to get the one of these retro brighting. I mean, this is, I didn't actually think grey could go beige, but you can tell the difference. Hello. Oh, okay. That looks like it's working. It's need to untune itself. I'll finish tuning cycle. The bottom is fine. The kid who must have had this before was I don't know, I must have had this stuck in the window. Can I get this parallel I/O out? So let's, there we go, a bit easier. So it looks like you push that way and you need to, you can't. But yeah, I think the I was told earlier about the card that goes on the back of here. Plug straight in. I don't know whether they need soft modding or hard modding or what, but you can play everything from a SD card, which is great. Let's play more PlayStation games. I mean, this obviously wasn't my first console. That was the Grandstand, which was a standard console. Oh, that works perfectly. See if that would work. You can't see the memory card. See the memory card or that. Right, let's try. What is Revolt? Revolt looks quite dirty. I don't know. Let's try it. There's Revolt and Alien Trilogy. I'm gonna mute this now, can't I? Volume's on here. Let's go to 10. I don't want to reboot straight away, so I'll just press reboot, reset button. That is a good sound, that. To say I got this box, the equipment wasn't working, and one comes straight into this mode. Even if the lens doesn't work, I can easily get, is it the PSIO? Or yeah, I think it's a PSIO, which will work for this. And everything from a USB. That doesn't seem to want to be working. I wonder if it's a PlayStation issue or a disc issue. The Alien Trilogy looks a bit better. Let's see. Try this. No guarantees. I was actually looking last night on eBay for games. This is where I come up with the where I got a message from on Discord about the PSIO. I was considering buying a load of games for just disc only. Hopefully they've been alright. Maybe polish them up or something. Seeing if it was worth it. I mentioned that it was no, don't buy them. It's not worth it anymore. But then again, this might not be worth it anymore. Okay, that's a shame. Everything seems to have frozen. Disc isn't spinning anymore. Right, what I'm gonna do, let's try the other one. The beige one. Obviously it's not a beige, it's a sun bleached. Oh, let's come straight on. Stick this straight in. Okay. And towel, everything seems to be on. Let's see. I can hear the disc spinning around. The lens needs a good clean. The disc needs a good clean. Let's do like I did with every single other game that I had. Wipe them on the shirt. Don't think it's going to work. So on the hardware part, it does seem that it wants to work. On a lens, maybe got a problem. Probably won't work. That's a shame, really. And I don't really want to get a PlayStation lens. If I can run this as a the PSIO, then we're in business, really. We've yeah, this isn't working, is it? Two PlayStations don't work, so it looks like, yeah, I'd put good money on this is hardware, but just a disc lens issue. Still hear the thing going around though. I've got a little bit of hope it's gonna work. Just praying it might work. Oh, it's coming through with a little clean. Empty town. Well, that didn't work. Alcohol in there? No. Right. Unless the lens is dirty. Let's try that. Alcohol. Q-tip / cotton bud. So delicate. You can feel underneath there the lens is there. Looks like it's been held in by one wire or something like that. Let's try again. So where's the alien disc? That's a little better. No, that's not going to work. Okay, so we've got two PlayStations that don't work. So I smell a project coming on. Back in 1 second, let me just... Ooh! Lens does not want to focus on. Quite weird. Focus on that. Back in a second, I have an idea. No, I thought of plugging it back into the other one, the grey one. We'll actually make this thing work. You never know. But okay, well, we've got two, so this could be a project for the future then. Two PlayStations. To actually have, let's have a think. We'll get it cleaned up best we can. It might just be a case of the discs don't work. I mean, I've never played Alien Trilogy, and maybe I should go buy a few discs. Let's see. So I said there are a few games for $150. So it's hardly a task to buy them anyway. £1.50 on eBay, just for disc only, just to see if it works or not. But these don't seem to want to work. But for a project for your future, we've got 2 PlayStations to cannibalise and do what we want with. So yeah, we'll keep these for a while and see what we can do in the future. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Hope you like what you see. Happy to see more new subscribers turning up. Thank you very much for subscribing, and hope you stick around. And I'll please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.